Hi, this is the Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you how to customize ZTE option on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to personalized settings and click to always on display. Here click on the right upper corner to the settings. We could activate or turn off any option. We could switch the set the schedule, the start, the end time, to switch the duration, to change the brightness level, to pick up our phone to show, to use in allow power off, and to activate or turn off the desktop shortcuts. And also we got here a couple of another tabs, just a lot of another tabs, so you could use your the analog clock, digital clocks to customize the lock screen, to use some arts, cartoons, wallpapers, just like the time. And so you could select one from the available tabs which you like, just to show here time or to turn it off, and to change the position of the lock screen. Then just tap to apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.